So hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA seems to be breaking down. Not unexpected, I would say. Yeah, we talked about here the WXY pattern. We talked about this resistance level that we retested again. Today there was a bit of volatility. Today here you can see this push down I would count as wave X, which was before here. It was just an extension, I think, of this corrective wave pattern. And I showed you this sort of bear flag earlier today in the video. You can call it a bear flag. There aren't really bear flags in Elliott wave, but still we came down here in a wave 1. We retraced in what I believe was a wave 2. The wave 2 still has space all the way up to 47.8 cents. It's usually the 78.6% FIB level. If we go beyond that, it's again a very unreliable wave 2. So let me go back to the 1 hour chart because 15 minutes is not useful at the moment. But yeah, you can see that there was a bit of messy price action due to the rate decision, volatility, and then we spiked again, made a new swing high, very slightly created whilst doing that. Oh, let me just, I think the indicators have gone, don't know why really. But what I wanted to say is basically with that, we printed a bearish divergence on the chart, on the 1 hour, not on the, on the 4 hour, a small one, but mainly you see it on the 1 hour, and we might be breaking down now. We have broken already here, or are just about to break below those previous swing lows, below that support level at 43.9 cents. If we go below that, important support around 43.2, and I think below that, I wouldn't count this week as support. Below that, I think we are coming down to our target of wave 3. We can measure that again because it has shifted slightly due to that stronger retracement here in wave 2 in red. So yeah, we retrace basically to the 50% FIB level once more. So let me take the FIBs extension tool. And that gives us, I mean, really anything between 40.7 cents, but more likely 37.1 cents for this wave 3 in red. This will be confirmed, this breakout to the downside, in my opinion, below 43.2 cents. Until then, it's theoretically still possible that we move up once more in a wave 2, but let's say against the swing high here at 46.5, I'm now looking lower. It's absolutely possible that this WXY is now finished. Let's actually take a look at if the targets, because normally you're looking at some kind of a proportion between wave X and between wave W and wave Y. And here you can see we have nearly reached the 1.618 extension at 46.8 cents. Really, the wave Y can't move much higher. An ideal target is the 1-to-1 ratio. Now, with that latest drop here, we have nearly reached the 1.618 extension in the wave Y. So it really doesn't have much more space to the upside. I mean, due to the volatility in the market, I would still allow it to go to 47.8. But that should be it, you know. Above that level, we basically move into a different scenario. But at the moment, I'm focused on the downside. It seems to me that we are currently breaking this. Bitcoin is also coming down. Very interesting times. With Bitcoin, by the way, we have broken important support here already as well. Next support will be around 18.3K. And I think this would be in line with the 43.2 cent level here on the ADA chart. And if we lose that, then I think the waterfall is starting. And that's basically the update about ADA. I'm still looking here ideally at the 30 cent level for ADA. That would just tidy up the entire messy chart. So there's a few higher level patterns that are possible. We could say this was all just an Elliott wave triangle and we're now trying to break it to the downside, or we have some kind of a different, more messy pattern and had then a wave 1 down here, a wave 2 to the upside, and we're now in the wave 3 down. But the price action is not really impulsive enough for me to count it as a wave 3. So to be honest, I'd be more inclined to go with a triangle pattern that we say, all right, this is actually wave 1, then there will be a wave 2 retracement before we come down further. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.